thank and welcome the dignitaries once again as a president of ICFoST and as a president of AFSTI and the organizing chairperson of ICFoST, Shridevi Annapurna Singh Madam, Padma Vibhushan M.M. Sharma Sir, Padma Shri Professor Kale Sir, our Director of FSSI Western Region Preeti Ma'am, Director of NIST Anand Ramakrishnan Sir, the motherly figure of this particular whole Vastu, without which whose blessing this thing would not have moved even a single inch or a mm also. It is our Dr. Debjani Ma'am, thank you so much, and Anuja Ma'am, Director of NABL, without whom I would not move an inch. So thank you all of the dignitaries on the dais, and of course my dear Secretary Naveen Shivanna Sir, my fellow CEC members Ashutosh Sir, my immediate President who is he is waiting for me to step down. Tomorrow, sir, just give me some few more hours to enjoy, or whatever you may say it, bask in whatever the glory or whatever it is. And our Joint Secretary Baswaraj sir, our very senior AFSTI members from CFTRI, Mysuru, Jamna Prakash Madam. I can see lot of presidents from various chapters, Vice President of our headquarters CEC, past Secretary sir, lot of people, and two very, very important people in my life, at least till 31st of December. No, it's not that way. Very, very important as a thing that, oh, I can see Lele Madam. Lele Madam, namaskar. Very, very important things that I must say, that one who have supported the whole scenario of right from my student membership days 25 years ago till now is our AFSTI Mumbai chapter, headquartered at ICT UDCT Mumbai. So thanks to each and every person of AFSTI Mumbai chapter, without which it would not have been possible for me to stand here today. Yesterday I was not able to sit also, so now I can stand on my feet because of Mumbai chapter. Thank you so much. And lastly, my dear students, there are 4 halls, madam, sir. There are more than 1,130 registrations that have come, delegates, and there are in all these other 3 halls, this is getting rendered on the live rendering is happening. So all those students, thank you very much. This program is only and only for you, brought to you by AFSTI and the industry and the regulators, coming all together on a single platform where you can intermingle with them, talk to them without any fear of anything. Where if you have to talk to your professor, if you have to talk to any industry leader, we have very big shots from the industry for the next 3 days coming over here. We have IS officers, we have IRS officers, we have joint commissioners, we have commissioners, assistant commissioners, so many people coming over here in this Kumbh Mela, which I always call this as a Kumbh Mela, and the Maha Kumbh Mela happens at the IFCON in our mother or our parent home, Maher manto, in our Marathi language we call it as Maher, is CFTRI Mysuru, where this program happens, IFCON. So please students, my dear fellow students, you are the sunrise for all of us. Whenever yesterday also I did mention that whenever I see the rising sun, I see the face of my daughter, I see the face of the students community, and these are the people who are going to bring the new day to all of us, to our country and to our world. I could have written all this from AI, but which is very common nowadays, but I thought that it would be too artificial. I would like to have EI involved in it more than AI. So with the blessings of AI, that is I think I have used my EI, emotional intelligence, to convey to you something which I really feel from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. Please enjoy, please network. Network is your net worth, and whatever difficulties you have or whatever good things that you want to share with us, we are all ears to you. We have all your hearts and minds to you so that you progress further. Thank you so much, all of you. Thank you.